I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking basics. Open Settings and confirm your iOS version under General About, because some menus move between updates. Once done, look for a VPN app on the home screen and then Settings VPN to see active connections and configurations. Make sure you have your device passcode and Apple ID handy. You'll need them to disable profiles or delete apps. This speeds up the removal and prevents interruptions when you reach the next steps. Now disable the VPN. Go to Settings VPN and toggle the connection off. If you don't see that, open Settings General VPN and Device Management to locate profiles. If an app controls the VPN, press hold its icon, choose Delete App and confirm, because removing the app often clears the persistent status icon. If a configuration profile exists, select it and tap Remove Profile, then enter your passcode. Once done, reboot the iPhone. Finish by restarting your iPhone. Power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on to refresh system icons. This usually clears the VPN label. If the icon persists, reset network settings via Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings. Make sure you know Wi-Fi passwords because this clears saved networks. If that still fails, reinstall the VPN app and then remove it cleanly, or contact the VPN app support. They can advise on vendor-specific profiles that sometimes survive normal removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.